Want to know how to get a transparent background on Canva for free without the upgrade feature? Well guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create images with transparent backgrounds. This is a really cool way of doing it, so check this out. Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Smil and welcome to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this image right here using Canva, and I'm going to show you how you can create a transparent background without using their upgrade feature that you have to pay for. So if you don't know much about Canva, Canva is a graphic design tool that you can use for just about anything. So if you want to create flyers, Facebook covers, posters, if you want to create any type of social media, graphic, anything, whether it's for, Instagram, if you want to create YouTube thumbnails, whatever it is, you can do it right here within Canva. And Canva is a free tool, but it also has some paid tools that you have to actually pay for. So you can pay for like a monthly membership to use it. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this transparent background using Canva images and not have to actually pay for their upgrade. All right, so let's jump right into it. You have to start first with the blank page. So I'm already here with a blank screen. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the color of this background to something like this gray. It stands out a little bit more. And once I've changed the background color, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create like a basic image, just something to give you guys an idea of how you can create images in Canva. So I'm going to start with this square right here, and I think I'm going to add some text to it. I can add something like this. It can say mailbox. It can say mailbox, and I think I'm going to add one more, another text, and this one will say money. Now I don't like the color of that, so I think I'm going to change it to white. I'm going to change this color to white for this one, and change the color for white to this one. All right, so we've got mailbox money, and I think I want an image. So I'm going to go over here to elements, and I'm going to look on some of my recent images. I'm going to choose this because I have used this before for my email subscribers. So I'm going to add this image here, and this is just something simple and basic. I mean, obviously you can go through Canva and you can use a ton of different images. You can type in just about anything you can think of here and they have an image for it. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to create this simple image right here, and I'm going to save it right now. Once I save the image, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download the image. So now once the image has downloaded, then I'm going to go to, and I'm going to find the image. I want to just make sure that the image is here. So I'm going to go to my downloads. Yep, there it is. So I know now that this image still has its gray background. So what I want to do, guys, is I want to show you how you can use a transparent background feature. And I'm going to do it using Removebg. Now this website, guys, I've been using this for a while to create all of my transparent backgrounds. So I love this site. You can take just about any image and it will turn it into a image where you can have that transparent background. So you could be using this image for anything and you just don't want the background to it. So now the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload because I need to find the image. Here it is right here. I'm going to open it up. There's the image right there. It took it out perfectly. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to, of course, download this image. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. And once you've downloaded the image, there it is. So it's right here and it's going to say Removebg. So now this is how the image is going to look. Now I know you're probably saying, well, I can't tell that it's a transparent background. How am I going to be able to tell? Well, you have to actually use the image. So this is the previous image right here. And then this one that I just showed you here is the actual transparent background. So that's it, guys. This is how you can use Canva images to create a transparent background so that you can use these images for anything. So like I said before, you may not need the background, but you need the actual image. So guys, I hope you got a little value out of this video. Go ahead and click the thumbs up button if you like what you heard. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because guys, on this channel, I teach people how to start and grow an online business, but part of doing that is being able to use tools and use features such as Canva to be able to have that online presence. So I do a lot of different graphic designs for my blog and also for my thumbnails that I have here on YouTube. So you need to learn how to gain some extra skills, and this is one of the ways in which you can do it. All right, guys, well, I hope you got value out of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you come back, and I will see you on the next video.